In this video, I'll guide you through how to make an underwater sound effect in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're working on a film project, a YouTube video, or just experimenting with sound design, creating an underwater effect can add a unique and immersive element to your audio. Let's dive right in and transform your soundscape. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Fairlight page. The Fairlight page is specifically designed for audio editing and mixing, providing a comprehensive set of tools to tweak and perfect your sound. Once you're there, locate and select the audio clip you want to modify. This is an important step as it ensures that all the adjustments you make will apply to the correct soundtrack. Now, to create that distinct underwater effect, we'll start by working with the channel EQ. The channel EQ is a powerful feature in DaVinci Resolve that allows you to adjust different frequencies within your audio clip. Begin by reducing the high frequencies. You'll want to focus on frequencies above around 400 Hz. By cutting these higher frequencies, you're essentially removing the clarity from the audio, which is a key characteristic of sounds heard underwater. This gives your audio a more subdued and distant feel, much like the muffled sounds you'd hear while submerged. Next, we'll focus on enhancing the low-mid frequencies, which typically range from about 200 to 400 Hz. Slightly boosting these frequencies will help to create a more muffled tone, enhancing the illusion of being underwater. This adjustment is subtle but crucial as it adds the body and warmth that is often associated with underwater sounds. To add an extra layer of realism, we'll incorporate some reverb into the mix. Reverb simulates the way sound waves reflect off surfaces in an environment, and in this case, it can mimic the way sound behaves underwater. Add just a touch of reverb to your audio clip. You don't want to overdo it, as too much reverb can make the audio sound overly muddy and unrealistic. The goal is to strike a balance that maintains the integrity of the sound while enhancing its submerged qualities, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an underwater sound effect in DaVinci Resolve. Remember, the key to an effective audio effect is subtlety. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so take the time to listen to your audio and fine-tune the settings to your liking. Feel free to experiment with these techniques and see what works best for your specific project. Sound design is a creative process, and with practice, you'll become even more adept at crafting unique and engaging audio experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.